Meaning of infantilize.
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 Infantilize. The term infantilize means to treat someone as if they were a child, even though they are an adult. This can involve speaking to them in a patronizing manner, making decisions for them without their input, or generally not taking their opinions and needs seriously. When someone is infantilized, it can have negative effects on their self-esteem, confidence, and sense of independence. They may feel frustrated, angry, or powerless in these situations. Overall, infantilizing someone undermines their autonomy and agency, which can be detrimental to their growth and development as an individual.